In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually enter a trade on TraderSync. So on your TraderSync account, on the left side, click this plus button icon, which is the add trades. And then you will see here the manually trade and then import trades and then the other one. So click the manually trade, and in here, you'll need to input manually the trade you want to add in your TraderSync. So in here, I chose the stock for the market and then the portfolio to my portfolio, and then the symbol is BTC, and then I choose the buy options, and then in here input a share contracts and amount, and then the price, and then the commissions, and then the fees. After that, just simply click the save button below, and that's it. That's how to manually enter a trade on TraderSync. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.